That's good.
Okay.
Wala nga makakapang buto dito. Oh. Lumulubog yan. Nakalubog yung mga.
Lulubog lahat.
Oo. Tignan mo, oh.
Hello, Will.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No, it's okay. It makes her face good.
No.
Like my parents, they like mine.
I'm gonna put it here,
Bago
right?
yung kwan mo bago yung bed mo. Di ba? Hindi na dati mong bed.
Okay.
Ito rin.
Yan ba?
This is-
Akala ko yung bed mo yung metal.
Starting the session. That's Tita Chona.
I'm just gonna turn on the steam, okay?
Yeah, you can boil that.
Now.
Like baby scotcher.
Oh, oh.
And then, I'm gonna do a massage first. Alright?
Tatanggalin ba yung t-shirt?
Hindi
Meron
na.
ba siyang brief?
Ha?
Oh, t-shirt, tsaka yung brief.
Alisin, may sando, nakasando naman yun.
Yung brief na lang.
Oo. Anak, ititira mo yung brief mo. Take it off.
You
Oo.
want the stones?
Come on,
Or
anak.
you want
He
this?
cannot massage you at the back if you have put on your shirt.
I can't sew it like this.
Ha?
I can't sew it.
Hindi raw niya maipapakita yung kanya.
No.
No, yeah.
I'll do it.
I will. No, I will.
She can give you, Tita Chona can give you memo.
Yeah, this one.
Are you
see?
shy? See
No.
there, see? You
This
need
way.
that. That's how you
We're gonna
massage.
take it off.
And then put
And
there.
then you...
Wow, you have
Okay.
memo. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay now?
Are you okay?
You have to put your chin there.
Picture there.
There. Make
You
it.
can breathe?
But it's okay now.
Okay.
You get mad?
So you put your hand like that. So you're relaxed.
And you can put it here. There. Okay?
Are you relaxed?
Yeah.
Huh?
You do that in your room, right?
I'm good in my room. That's okay.
Ano na yan?
Hello,
Hot
Mr.
stone.
Will.
Mag-hot stone pa ba tayo?
Hindi na.
Ayoko sa iyo.
Wag na siguro.
Good for my skin.
Not good on your skin.
Like that, really.
See?
You're me.
Who's mean?
My mom.
Oh, mom. How come you are mean?
He's always mean at people like this. You're a big trouble.
Wow. Wala ka mahihipo dyan buto.
Ayan. So you want relaxation or you want deep? Relaxation maybe, huh?
Oo, wag mo na idip at sasakit lang yung katawan mo.
Not really, but it's okay.
Baka magalit pa.
Kapag ka maka sa akin ay pagkayari.
It's always true like to me.
Who?
You.
Why?
You say, stop it. Always do like to me.
Oh, I can see your feeling.
Don't do that. You're in big trouble.
Oh, you're getting a massage and you're mad.
No, it's you. Always do
You
that.
should
to me.
relax. You know?
Mom's always mad. I don't like it.
Mom, go away.
Like me when I see that.
Wow.
Okay.
I give you hilod stone, right?
And I wash my hair again.
Hmm?
You always do that. My
But they-
son and my own.
Whoa.
That's good.
Okay.
Wala nga makakapang buto dito. Oh. Lumulubog yan. Nakalubog yung mga.
Lulubog lahat.
Oo. Tignan mo, oh. Dati dito eh. Para maano. Oh, ganun mo yan. You put this here. Para meron akong makakapang buto. Right there. See that?
Kaya pag hiniluran mo yan ay tuloy-tuloy, kahit sa tuhod, kahit sa sikoy.
Oh.
Hindi, yung bato, yung panghilod
Oh,
mo, hindi ba, hindi
Walang
tatama.
sasag ko ano.
Hala,
Para makakuha mo yung buto niya. Ito. There. You feel that?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Kasi pag ginamit yung headrest, hindi aabot yung leg niya.
Maiksi.
Hanggang sa dulo lang yung ano, kaya ito na lang.
That's why I'm playing. I fall asleep there.
okay, you can fall asleep. You
No,
can
not
sleep.
allowed here.
Yeah.
Airplane.
Oh, your legs are short.
Isang bukol na ganun.
Look, how do you feel?
That's okay.
You feel relaxed now?
Yeah. God will say have sleep.
Sandang kalmula dun sa
Ang iksi ng...
hindi hahaba yung himas mo. Mabibilog naman.
Here. Is this good or
That's good.
awi?
Not really.
Talaga lang yung kagaya niyang condition niya, talagang dry lang ang skin.
Okay, now Tita Chona is doing your facial.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Gonna be foggy after that.
Don't show your teeth.
I have no teeth.
Okay. I'll do it. I do it?
No, Sonic knows that. You don't want your dad to do it? So you do it. No? Yeah. So that's good. You learn in school.
Yes. So you go to school and you learn something, huh?
Good. How you feel?
I look like Michael Jackson again.
You're not Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson makeup.
Oh,
Michael Jackson.
okay.
Iba pala yung ilong niya, oh.
Mm-mm.
You have hair there.
That's okay.
How about
Kaya
you, huh?
nagkakaroon ng kanyan eh.
You got
Blackheads.
and then you have lots of hair here.
Kaya
Well,
maraming blackheads sa may ilong.
Oo nga. Yun sabi ni Orvin. Eh.
Pinapa-
Kailangan niya ng, sabi niya, facial. Kasi iniisip ko, ano kaya? Masahe o facial o both? Both
Kaya-
na lang. Eh, sabi niya, kailangan ng facial dahil nakikita ko yung blackhead sa ilong.
Pag sa kabanatan, pinipigaan pa yan ng pan dito. Yung ginagano.
Oh,
Yung
meron
pang-alis
din ako
nila?
pagpiga. Kaya niya?
Oo.
Oh,
Hindi naman
wow.
siya,
Hindi lumitaw.
hindi na siya kumikibo. O di, nung kailangan akong,
Don't look
merong
at me.
nagpa-schedule sa akin, dahil schedule ko. This is clay, mud, with aloe vera.
Don't talk, okay?
Pwede naman siya mag-talk dahil hindi naman ito masyadong makapal. Ito yung ginagamit namin sa Evelyn Charles eh.
What is that?
That's a mask. Clay mask. With aloe vera.
Mukha nung nag-aya din sila Warren no isang linggo.
Oh.
Kumain daw kami ng ice cream doon sa Pilipino. Parang bang marbles lang.
Oo.
Ang daming Pilipino nagpupunta.
Oh.
Ay, doon ka na makakakita ng talaga.
Oh, bakit?
Ano na yan? Sa mata ni Will. Oh,
You relax now?
again? Hindi ko naman may papaliwanag yan. Hindi.
Alin?
Yung ginagawa.
May minamasahe mo.
Oo nga.
Siguro ang hita at binti niyan ay kasing haba lang ng isang binti nung
Isang haba lang, may isang baraso.
Pag siguro malaki minamasahe mo, nakakapagod yun. Ang haba nung
Oo
mamasahe.
Tapos gusto pa yung deep massage. Talaga naman.
Sakit sa baraso.
Kaya nga ngayon, alam ko na yung mga technique. Hindi lahat ano. Knuckles. Medyo deep yan, pero hindi pagod
Hindi bagot yung braso.
yung daliri mo mismo. Kasi sasakit yun. Dinidrink nung ano niya, nung skin niya yung oil. Di ba, wala nang dulas.
Dry. Dry ang skin
Di
niya.
ba?
Oo. Dry ang skin niya.
Pag,
Lahat sila.
Lahat sila.
Mm-mm.
oh, okay, almost done. I can do that.
Dapat pala yan na lang ang iniregalo ko kay Camille.
You're all done. How do you feel? Good?
Oh,